Just drove the vehicle home. It is 5:25. Drove the vehicle home after picking it up from Menzies Chrysler in Whitby, saying the air suspension is fixed. It's been at their shop 3 days, them trying to figure it out. Numerous times on the dash. The suspension needs immediate attention. Came up. Now it will not go up or down. So I'm gonna try resetting the computer again. That's 30 seconds, but it looks like the computer is not responding whatsoever. I'm going to try to shut the truck off and put it back on. Hit the up button. Nothing on the dash. Let's try the other way of resetting. Go into suspension. Let's put it into transport mode. Should lower the truck. And nada. This not too long after picking it up. Let's take it out of transport mode. See if wheel alignment mode changes anything. And nada. Nothing seems to work. I'm gonna shut it off one more time. Open the door, close the door so everything is off. Start it back up now. Sometimes this makes it move 1 or 2 notches, and then it'll report the code right away. Let's see. Nothing there, nothing up there. 529. Oh, select ride height, not permitted. That's in park. Let's try that again. Select ride height, not permitted. Let's put it in neutral. Select ride height, not permitted. Let's see if we can reset it now. 2, 3, 5. 18, 19, 20. Okay. Let's see if it starts responding now. Nope, nada. Nothing there, nothing on the dash. Let's try transport mode again. Oh, look at that. It is lowering and it is going down. but the truck is not moving on the outside. And there's that message again. Well, that's it for now, guys.